Hi, I'm Attilio Rubino from VisionTech, and today I want to talk to you about the VISPUL modular combinable pulleys. These are tooth pulleys made of light alloy metal and assembled using tightening screws and various sealing gaskets. With only 27 modules, you can shape over 300 tooth pulleys, all different from one another. Thanks to the VISPUL modular products, for the first time ever, you can design a pulley that is tailored to your desired application and replicate the characteristics of commercial pulleys available on the market. Pulleys with a lateral tang with or without flanges. Pulleys with two lateral tangs with or without flanges. Pulleys without tangs with flanges. Furthermore, it is possible to produce pulleys with O-rings known as VISPUL half as part of the VISPUL modular range to center the tooth belt, as well as channels that can contain tooth belts from the trapezoidal guides. Simple to shape a custom pulley during the design phase. These pulleys are treated with silver ions known as BTC treatment, which has a permanent antibacterial effect on the surface to eliminate any bacteria that may contaminate the conveyed product. Thanks to the modular structure, your storage costs and occupied warehouse space are reduced. Fast assembly and client delivery. VISPUL modular products are particularly in demand in the food and pharmaceutical sectors, where there is a need to comply with the hygiene directives laid down in the MOCA legislation. For more information, please visit our website vision-tech.it. Thank you and see you soon.